Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem of the week. Today's challenge involves circles and symmetry and is suitable for beginners. Here is the problem. In the rectangle ABCD, two circles intersect the longer sides, creating segments AE equals 5, FI equals 21, JB equals 11, DH equals 2, and GL equals 23. The task is to find the length of the segment KC. The options are A. 12, B. 13, C. 15, and D. 16. Before we dive into the solution, I encourage you to pause the video, grab a pen and paper, and give it your best shot. Feel free to share answers in the comment when you're ready. Then we'll explore the solution together. Let's get started. To begin, we construct a circle and two parallel lines passing through the circle. We notice that these four intersection points form an isosceles trapezium, meaning the two slanting sides are of equal length. This further means that the two marked segments are of the same length. Let's denote this length as U. With this understanding, let's tackle our problem. Construct an isosceles trapezium using the four intersection points on the left side. Then, draw two lines parallel to AD, one passing through point G and another passing through point H. Since AE is 5 and DH is 2, the two marked segments have a length of 3. Next, draw a line parallel to AD passing through I. Since FI is 21, this marked segment is 21 minus 3, which equals 18. Now, construct an isosceles trapezium using the four intersection points on the right side. Draw three lines parallel to AD, passing through points L, K, and J. As GL is 23, the marked segment is 5, which also true for the marked segment on its right. Finally, the length of KC is 5 plus 11, which equals 16. Therefore, the answer for today's problem is D, 16. This chart displays the outcomes derived from the responses. Let's now examine different approaches and solutions other people might have. Thank you everyone for participating in this problem. Stay tuned for more in future. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to more exciting math challenge ahead. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.